In this video, I will show you how to set up a payroll system for your business so you can pay your contractors and employees automatically. For this tutorial, we'll be using Gusto because it makes payroll, tax filing, employees and online finances easy to manage. To get started, head to the Gusto website using the link in the description where you can create your free Gusto account and get started. During the onboarding process, Gusto will ask you for your business information, payroll needs, tax details, and a few other setup questions. Once you've completed the onboarding, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. Before you can run payroll, Gusto will guide you through a short payroll setup timeline. Here you'll be asked to add your company payroll details, business addresses, tax information, payroll schedule, state tax details, and your business bank account. You also need to sign a few required payroll authorization documents before Gusto reviews and activates your payroll account. Since these steps require your own business information and documents, simply complete each section by following the on-screen instructions. Once that's done, open the People section from the left-hand menu. This is where you'll manage everyone who gets paid through Gusto. Click Add Person. Then choose whether you're adding an employee or a contractor. If you're adding an employee, you'll enter their basic information, choose whether they're paid hourly or salary, enter their compensation, and configure any required tax information. You'll also enter their email address, so Gusto can send them an invitation. The employer can then complete their own onboarding by securely providing their personal information, direct deposit details, tax forms, emergency contacts, and signing any required documents. One of the nice things about Gusto is that you don't have to collect all of this information yourself. Employees can securely complete everything from their own account. Gusto will notify you if anything is still missing. If you're adding a contractor, the process is very similar. Simply choose contractor instead of employee, enter their basic details, and send them an invitation. Contractors can then complete their own onboarding by submitting their payment and tax information, making them ready to receive 1099 payments whenever you run payroll. Now let's run payroll. Open the Pay section from the left-hand menu. This is where you'll process payroll for both employees and contractors. When you're ready to pay your team, click Run Payroll. You'll now see everyone included in the current payroll along with their salary or hourly pay. Before submitting payroll, carefully review every employee and contractor to make sure all of the information is correct. Double-check hours worked. If something doesn't look right, simply go back and update that employee's information before continuing. Once everything has been reviewed, click Review Summary. Gusto will automatically calculate employee wages, payroll taxes, deductions, employer taxes, and direct deposits. You'll also see exactly how much money will be withdrawn from your business bank account, how much will go toward payroll taxes, and the final net pay each employer or contractor will receive. After confirming everything looks correct, click Submit Payroll. After payroll has been processed, you can visit the Report section to review payroll reports, employee payment history, payroll summaries, W-2 reports, 1099 forms, and other payroll records whenever you need them. And that's how to set up a payroll system for your business and pay your contractors and employees automatically. If you're looking for a simple and reliable way to automate payroll, manage tax filings, and handle HR in one place, Gusto is an excellent choice. You'll find a link in the description below where you can create your free Gusto account and get started.